I'll tell you, it's really frustrating when you spend a few hours out in your yard getting all the leaves up to have the wind come along and blow them right back across the yard.
Well, not only will the wind blow the leaves out of the pile, Danny, but if you have them in a wheelbarrow, it'll also blow them right out of the wheelbarrow. And one solution, of course, is just to drape a tarp over it. But the problem is if the wind's strong enough, it'll blow the tarp right off the wheelbarrow. So here we've come up with a really simple solution that it just requires taking a utility knife and cutting the tarp to the proper size, and then taking a couple of 3-foot-long wooden dowels. You wrap the tarp around the wooden dowel and put some duct tape down just to hold it. And then I just punch in a couple of staples in each dowel rod just to keep it from sliding out. Then all you need to do is just drape it over the wheelbarrow, and the rods act like weights to hold down the tarp.
Now, I could see if you were working even with potting soil or any type of mulch or anything that you could actually use this to keep it dry overnight if you didn't finish your job.
Right. Often you're working on a couple-of-day project. Now, the way I have it laid this way, you'll see the rain would get in, but you can also just turn it.
Oh, okay.
And, you know, you can leave it overnight and it'll stay nice and dry.
Yeah, it works great.
But the other thing I really like about this tip is that it's got a second purpose. You can lay it on the ground as you're raking up the leaves.
Oh, okay. All right, great. There you go.
Rake them right onto the tarp.
Just in time.
Yeah. And then you can lift up, I mean, basically one hand, you can lift up all those leaves and just as neatly and easily as possible, dump them right into the wheelbarrow.